Okay, Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, hello everyone. Welcome back with me again, Rafid. Yeah, so this is the first presentation project in fourth semester in second grade of vocational high school. Okay. The first presentation project is I want to present or I want to explain to you my portfolio after me study in IDN after 2 years, okay, from 10th grade to 11th grade. Okay. This is my portfolio cover, yeah, like this, simple, just put text and some coretan, some scratch, yeah. And there is my name. Okay. Continue to the next slide. Okay, in the first slide, in the next slide, in the second, this slide is about me. Yeah. Introduce myself. Okay, to introduce myself, my name is Muhammad Rafif Yahya. Usually I call Rafif. I'm from what's the name? Bogor resident. Java, yeah. And at the end, I'm network engineer student, and now I'm in 11th grade. Yeah. Next is education. Yeah. When junior high school, I studied 2 times. First time in Madrasah Al-Fatih and Syifa Buana Tafi School. The school said Tafi School, and when vocational high school in IDN, I learned about networking. Okay, this is my tools that I use in IDN, like KNS3 for simulation networking, Peanut Lab, this is Copilot Tracer, same, and Figma for design, and Pro for editing video, and Word for make some article. Okay, next to the next slide. The next slide is about my experience when 2 years in IGN boarding school Solo. Okay, my first experience is IDN teaching. This is first time I teaching. Yeah. The first time I teaching in SIT, Sekolah Islam Terpadu Fatona Islamic School Palembang. This is I invited by my friend Firas, the son owner of the school. Yeah. In there, I teach about design. I use Figma design, and I sharing material to 9th grade student junior high school. And this time is first time I go to Sumatera alone. First time I go to Palembang. Okay, next, second experience is IDN teaching, same, but this is different place. In the second experience is IDN teaching in STAI, Sekolah Tinggi Agama Islam Ali bin Abi Thalib in Surabaya. Yeah. In there I teach about what's the name? Editing, use Kdenlive, editing video, use Kdenlive. Kdenlive is free software, basically on Linux, and I teach for mahasiswa, yeah. College, and I teach to 20 people in there, and I go there with my friends Ayub and Aksan, and my teacher is Ustaz Umar. Okay, next to the next slide, same IDN teaching, IDN mengajar. In the third experience of IDN teaching in SMK Negeri 1 Jombang. In there, I teach about the same design with Figma, like my first experience teaching in Palembang. But in there, I'm invited by Adisnia to teach in the school. In there, I teach nine class. So 9 classes. In one day, I teach 3 classes. Yeah. In morning, I teach 10 grade A. In afternoon, teach 10 grade B, and in evening, teach or 10 grade C. Yeah, like that. 1 week in there, 5 days. Okay. Next to the next slide. This is a different experience. Yeah. This is I go to Indonesia Learner Conference or ILC in where? Sidoarjo, East Java. In there I hear material about Linux, about database and more from the expert. And in there we get free class, like how to make email with my domain, self domain, and more. And we go there. I go there with 11 grade student. Now 11 grade student, but previously 10 grade student. And we go there from I forgot. I think 3 days. The next is company visit. Okay. So in October, I think in October, one class of 11 grade TKJ go to Jakarta by train, the cheapest train in Indonesia, 74,000 from Solo to Jakarta. It's very cheap price. And the first day we go to ID networkers in Sleepy for hearing the material from lulusan IDN student, IDN Indonesia student. And the second day we go to PT Telkomsel Bogor. In there we hear material about satellite from the manager of PT Telkomsel or the public relation, I forgot. After we hear the material about satellite and more, we go around this company. We see the antenna of Starlink by Elon Musk, and we go to the database from Telkomsel. It's very big. And we go around to the satellite farm. In there are a lot of satellite. This is the biggest satellites in Bogor and in Java Island. And many more satellites, from small to the very big satellite, antenna satellite. Okay, next. This is same in Jakarta. The first day go to ID Networkers in Sleepy. The second day we go to PT Telkomsel Bogor, and the last day we going to this is CCIT, Fakultas Teknik of University of Indonesia. In there we introduced by the OSIS of this college, CCIT, and after we giving information by him, we go around the college, see the classes, see the canteen, and many more. Okay, this is the last experience. My experience is teaching to SMK Negeri 1 Rengas Dengklok in Karawang, at the site of Karawang. In there, this is first time I teach about networking, because previously I teaching about design, editing, like multimedia, but this is first time I teaching about networking. So finally I have experience for teaching And there I invite Bainawi because his mother was teacher of this school. So I follow Nauki, and there we teaching for 3 classes. Yeah. 3 classes for 11 grade student. Okay, and there I teach about Cisco. So from the Cisco fundamental to IP address and static routing. Okay, continue. Okay, the next slide is my skill. Okay, after I study at IDN 2 years, I have new skill like MTCNA and MTCRA. This is the advance of microtik for MTCNA, and the routing engineer is MTCRA. And I'm studying like static routes, load balance, dynamic route, and many more. Okay, the second is Cisco from Cisco Academy. I learned about CCNA and CCNP in second and third semester. Okay, this is Juniper Networks. Yeah, adding my set skill because this is only like the time the material is done, the material Cisco done, but there have many time. They have time. So as far as give the material of Juniper. Okay, the next is more skill of me like video editing, use Premiere Pro and CapCut, and design use Canva and Figma. Okay, the last is my achievement after 2 years at IDN Boarding School Seoul. The first is like previously the MTCNA and MTCRA certificate, because after we study MTCNA we exam, and if the exam accept, we can get the certificate. First MTCNA, and after that MTCRA. Okay, this is an SA1 in second semester, because in second semester we don't take any certificate, so as far as say to take MSA Profinet certificate in SA1. The third is Linux and network fundamental. This is the certificate of fundamental networking in first semester before learning about microtik. Okay, the fourth is adding certificate again, like library in each chip of SWAT. Okay, the very last is my work in IDN. The first is IT book, because if we learn something in IT, like either fundamentals, design and design, we must make book for documentation. Okay. The second is IDN Solo profile, because in previous semester there are competition from IDN center in Jonggol. The challenge is you must make IDN profile like vlog or podcast or more. We make like interview some student. Okay. Next, the last is DGAP 2023 selection. Okay. Maybe that's all from me for explaining about my portfolio. Thank you for your attention. Viewers, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.